All right. You want to race? All right, cool. I'll give you the hit. Let's do it. I'll just let me put a GoPro on your car, and I'm good to go. All right, guys, it's happening. I'm gonna race the CX 1100, but I'm gonna give him the hit. Before we get into today's video, that's right, we are revealing our secret giveaway, first ever classic Mustang. There's only a week left to enter. Remember, it's just 99 cents an entry. We're so excited. Go down to Stangmode.com. What's unique about this is that there are no mystery boxes, no cash boxes, but everything on the site is slashed, half off, 70% off. Better go now, supply is limited. This ends soon. We're so excited for this. Hey sir, I just found you randomly. You mind revving it for us so we can show the people?
No problem.
I don't even know who this guy is, but he just happened to be here. Remember guys, go to Stangmode.com, grab some merch, and enter to win this classic Cobra 2. Let's hear it. There you go, baby. All right guys, go to Stangmode.com, grab some merch, and enter to win. Only a week left. Good luck. On to the video. What is up, fam? This message finds you all well, good spirit. We are here at Palm Beach International Raceway with the CX 1100, guys. I'm here. Let's see what happens. He's going to race drag times. We're actually going to race this car too. Ken's driving it. Of course, it's getting all the GoPros on it right now. We're going to see what it does. It went 9-1 last time. Now, the only caveat is the change is it's a little bit hotter, but they did change the tire. So hopefully they get a better 60 foot. So if they get a better 60 foot, we should be good to go. We'll see what happens. How you doing? Good to see you again. How's everything?
Good, thank you very much.
All right, congrats on the green GT500. Looking
Thank you.
Good. If you guys obviously should know, our friend Shmee, we hung out with him in Vegas a few years ago. With the release of the 500, he got his own now. So check out his channel. He'll be reviewing this. Yeah, what was the delay with that, bro?
Well, the delay was the fact that you couldn't travel to the US. So I
Ah.
had to wait until I could get here. So I couldn't lock in the order that I originally had. I had to basically put it on ice until I could see what
Sure.
happens. Got back out here, immediately browsing on Auto Tempest every single day, like, which one am I going to buy, which one am I going to buy? And then one came up and I was like, right, it's happening.
There you go.
It's time.
And you got a great color. That's my color. I love it. I look forward to seeing it. And you'll be reviewing this car too on your channel. So we'll stay tuned for that. All right. Well, good luck today. Good to see you. As always, check out Shmee.
Thank you very much.
One of the biggest and best channels on the YouTube network for cars and just fun. So, how you feeling today?
I'm pretty pumped. I feel pretty prepared.
We're here.
Tire change has me a little shook, but I think we'll be fine.
All right. You're the belle of the ball today, bro.
Yeah, hopefully.
All right, guys. Again, if you want to see more of this car, check out Palmbeachdyno's YouTube as well as our website. Everything here you can get for yourself. So a lot of stuff you see here will eventually be on Hulk, One Set Motors back together. But for now, we're excited to see what this car can do. What's up, baby? This is the man with the plan. What's up, baby?
What's going on? Stangmode.
We bonded a few nights ago, so still recovering, but I'm back to it.
Yeah.
This is the Lethal Performance 500, right?
That's right.
Are you running it today, or
No, I'm just hanging.
just hanging? All right, guys. If you don't know, please check out lethalperformance.com. They support our builds. Use code Stangmode. Appreciate that. The love is all around. This is a beautiful setup. It's good. How you like the 500 so far?
I love this car. This car is insane, man. It's beautiful, too.
Beautiful. Here we go, guys. Big day today.
Check card, kid.
Yep, we're good to go. I just need to put on a helmet and
Hands off the race.
do. I mean, that's actually my secret. I race some underwear.
Today, man.
What happened?
You got a lot of runs today. You're gonna be busy.
Oh, we're gonna be a busy bee.
Oh, yeah, it's exciting.
We're gonna. I have this. There's an energy. Yeah, there's an energy.
South
Yeah.
Florida. Mustang King.
Listen.
Stangmode,
Oh yeah,
that
that's right.
Taco 2 maker in the house. Good to have you down here, man.
Dude, always a pleasure, man.
Definitely.
You know, you just connect with people from the jump. That's how it is with Jared. He's a Mustang guy through and through, and a good dude just in general. So.
And then we get to hang, man.
And we get to hang.
Find out, you know.
Yeah.
I had no idea you're from Jersey and stuff, man. Then
Oh,
right
we're all
down there,
Jersey
it's like,
boys out here.
Damn, Jersey boy.
Jersey boy,
That's
Jersey
what's up.
boy,
That's
Jersey
right.
boy.
Yep.
So,
Oh, yeah.
Let's represent the north today.
That's right.
Well, I'm enjoying the
time
good
in the
weather.
south.
Yeah. What's up? What happened? What?
Oh, yeah. What'd you do?
What do you
You
mean?
got your
You hit something.
chin spoilers hanging off, man.
Oh no.
Alright, drive it over there.
Okay. This is the Mamba mod right here. So we took off this splitter. Well, Kobe did. But now you see the Mamba underneath. The venom is coming out, bro. The venom is leaking out. You want to race? All right, cool. I'll give you the hit. Let's do it. I'll just let me put a GoPro on your car and I'm good to go. All right, guys, it's happening. I'm gonna race the CX 1100, but I'm gonna give him the hit because obviously he cuts a 1.5, I cut a 1.4, but we'll see what happens. Let's do this. All right, guys, we are going to race. I'm gonna give the GT500 the hit. Yeah, because he has a 60 foot that's not fair. So we're gonna give him the hit.
You want some water down here?
Yeah.
Water? Close freaking race, man. 154 versus 152. Wow. Wow. Good race.
I wasn't gonna catch you, bro.
We'll do one heads up.
All right, heads up. All right. All right, so we're gonna do a heads up. I wasn't gonna catch this guy. You know, that 500's fast, so even with the hit, I wasn't gonna walk him down. I wasn't catching you, baby. Yeah, I was like, well, we're not catching him. So we're gonna do one heads up after the car is cool. But
Definitely too hot to be hot.
yeah, we're gonna let things see. I'm sweating like an animal here. But Mamba felt good in the pass, you know, let it cool off. But I don't even know what I ran actually. So even though people crap on this 64 with the DCT, you ain't gonna walk it down if you're lazy. I tell you right now. I know. I didn't even know what I ran either. Let's go see. All right, guys. Let's take a look at the times. Let's take a look how close this is. Obviously, shouldn't have given a hit. 330, so close. 8th mile, so close. Mile an hour, you can see where the 500 starts to pick up because it is 1100 wheel. Mamba's 930 wheel. But what a race! Super close. We're gonna run this back, see what happens. We're gonna cut lights correctly at the same time. This is going to be fun. Let's go. We're going to lead together now. I'm not going to give Ken the hit because obviously I couldn't walk him down. A lot closer than he thought even. So Mamba's going to go again. It's cooling off. We're getting some spray and just have to 60 it and see what it do.
Yeah, just 154 every time. 60 foot.
I red lit, you won.
Oh, you red lit. Well, we win another technicality. So basically, yeah, but obviously I had to let out, but you could see here it is hot, but it was very close. 330, 40, 41. And then about after the 8th is when the car decided to say, see, I'm not happy right now. So I don't know what protection kicked in, but you got the ET, but on my red light technicality, I'll take the win. Good race. Good race. Good race. What? Yeah. All right, guys. So here's the pass. Rob's gonna find out what's going on with the trans, but it was a good race up until I cut a horrible light. Ugh, 0.2. Rob found out that this is the reason right here, guys. I had the traction control system plugged in, so it cut us out. That's why it said, you know what, screw off. So it's unplugged for this one. We have to go race on McLaren. So we're gonna do what we do. Basically, if you guys look at the pass that we had, the clean pass with where I gave Ken the hit, that's more or less what would have happened probably. But I want to give you guys some clean runs today. We didn't get to do demonology. His throttle body didn't work. Ken got the hit. I couldn't walk him down. But then we raced again. The trans said no because traction kicked on. And now bring our 500 down here and race with this. So far today, you probably saw the demonology video first. Mamba's basically doing a 9.2, 9.3 today in his heat. So that's what it's doing. That's what it is. So you saw Mamba versus Demonology, one in the technicality, I guess, because he couldn't bring his car to line. Mamba's 1-1 here because the first one I couldn't walk him down. The second one he red lit. So that's drag racing, I guess. CX 1100 horsepower GT500, guys. So this is exciting. You saw it smack up some McLarens, and he actually I couldn't get him. I gave him the hit. I couldn't walk him down, but we did get a better ET than this. But I get to drive the Palmbeachdyno CX 1100 2020 GT500, so I'm excited. So it was very consistent all day. You know, went 9. I'm sorry, this is horrible lighting, but just deal with it. I'll put clips over. It raced the McLarens. It raced the Mamba. It, you know, held its own. 9.3, 9.2, 9.1. I think it went 9.2. But yeah, it was consistent, and it's nice to be in. It drives great. Very nice. So I'll tell you what happened, right? So what happened with this car for our race with the Mamba, Ken was thinking I'm gonna cut a 1.3 like I do up north at my home tracks, and so did I. So he said, listen, I cut 1.5s, give me the hit. Basically, when he goes, I'll go. So I let him go, and he had like a fantastic run. And you know, Mamba ET'd this car, but you know, I couldn't walk him down. So, and then the second time we went to limp mode, and you know, we didn't get a chance to finish that race. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back, and we're gonna bring Hulk here, and we're gonna have some fun with Hulk and Mamba and Palm Beach and drag times, because if you know up north, we're kind of screwed for the weather. So anyways, I'm sorry this is like really campy bad quality, but you know, I'm Blair Witch Project quality. So anyways, I appreciate the support. Thank you to Palmbeachdyno. I thank everyone who came out. My boy Kobe, appreciate you. And never ends. Like, subscribe. Peace. Do I want to make a hit? Yes. Am I gun shy because what happened to Hulk? You're damn right. So I'll wait for Hulk before I make any hits another 500. All right, you guys. Thanks for staying a little bit longer, because you know, never ends. Peace.